Hello everyone!
I'm Afila.
And I'm Umaira. Today we are back with another video on
How to activate printing account for new students.
So, let's go! Hey Afila!
Hi!
What's up?
I'm having issue with this printing.
Oh, is it? Actually, one of the staff taught me before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How is it?
Hi, how may I assist you?
Actually, I'm having issue to activate my printing account. Can you help me?
Alright, sure. First thing, you please type your student ID here,
Okay.
and then it will prompt to enter your username and password.
So I need to key in manually.
Yes. This one is actually only for the first time. Alright, you may type your student ID back. So now, after this, you're able to access printer without any need to enter your ID and password.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
So you got it now?
Yeah, I understand, Myra. Thank you.
Most welcome. I see you in class in a bit, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Bye!
See you soon.